Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video I'm going to show you how to install mysql server 8 on linuxmint, ubuntu based distro, which is basically a Debian based distro. So if you have a Debian based distro, you should be able to follow along and install mysql server mysql 8. So first of all, go ahead and launch your terminal, update your system, type in the password and simply type sudo apt install mysql -server and you're good to go. So simply sudo apt install mysql server to install mysql server 8. That's the command. Enter, hit Y, hit enter and let it go. You can see this is installing basically 8 mysql server 8. You can see core. It takes a bit longer, I don't know why. Then we need to go ahead and set a password. Guys, I will leave this link in the description. You can just copy paste everything to your terminal and you will be good to go. Otherwise you can simply pause the video, type it manually. Okay, just trying to remove key buffer and miss my sam recover option. If present, this is your SQL conf file is this took a bit longer. So this is at its final stage. It doesn't take this long. I'm not sure why it's taking a bit longer on my system. Okay, finally. Okay, running as okay, wonderful. So that's basically the port. Symlink. System D. Okay, after it's installed, I'll go ahead and create a password for my root user and also create a database. So I can clear my screen and then type sudo mysql to enter into mysql, and then immediately I'm going to change the password. Okay, sometimes it doesn't let you do anything in the terminal, so it's a good idea to open a text editor and change your password right before you put in the terminal. Oops. I just copied it by pressing Ctrl C and here I just pasted it over. I keep it simple because this is my dev environment on my local system. Then I can paste it here by pressing Control Shift V. It's a good idea to have a strong password. Hit enter and I'm done. Now I have to run this flush privileges, which I can copy paste from here. Okay, done. Now if you're getting some error or trying to install a specific version of mysql, then you might get some error. So this is why I've got these troubleshooting steps. So go ahead and log into your mysql database with the latest password. I've got a root user password is my password. So databases, there are a few databases. To create a database, you simply type create database and then the name of the database. It's going to be WP. I'll be installing WordPress on the system. And now I can check. Yeah, it just got created. So this is how you install mysql 8 on your linuxmint ubuntu debian based distro. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.